Can we create a Telegram account with email? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to figure out if we can create a Telegram account with email. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Telegram. Make sure that you have downloaded the app first, and after you've downloaded the app, you will see this section. Now tap on start messaging, and right here, without any other options, you will directly get the option to type in your phone number. Now you will see you can explore anywhere here that you will not find any option that will take you to log in or create an account with email. So yeah, there is no other way. You can try to refresh your phone. You can try to open up your Telegram again, but it will directly take you to enter your phone number. So I hope this answers your question, guys, that you cannot actually open up a Telegram account without your phone number and with your email. So yeah, that is basically it. That is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.